What's the meaning of amplitude? Amplitude. 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 Amplitude.
Amplitude refers to the maximum displacement of a wave from its equilibrium position. It is a measure of the intensity or strength of a wave. In other words, it describes the height or magnitude of the wave. The larger the amplitude, the more energy the wave carries. Amplitude can refer to various types of waves, including sound waves, light waves, and electromagnetic waves. In general, the amplitude of a wave determines how loud or bright the wave appears to us. It is an important parameter in many areas of physics and engineering.